The minute a car starts revving its engine, the car starts running everywhere. It's crazy. I'm at Fuel Fest 2025. Last time I was here was 2022. I'm in the process of moving, so I want to try to catch everything I can before we move back up north. I'm gonna check it out, see what we got going on. I hope you guys stay along for the day. Haven't checked out last weekend's video. I went to the 305 Rocket Riders 3-wheel event. Check that out. That was a blast too. We're here. Let's check it out. At 17, my first car was a 1990 300ZX, and it's this car right here. Not this one exactly, but it was this body style. 1990, they came out with the wide body on these. I didn't know the difference between 89 and 90, and I had checked out an 89, and when I realized it was like the slimmer body, I didn't want it, but I went and got the 1990. That was my first car ever. 1971 240Z Datsun. That's a beauty right there. Look at this freaking beast right here.
Your vote counts.
Taste of Tokyo. Let's go inside and see what this is about over here. Toyota MR2. Somebody airbrushing over here. Look how cool that is. That is nice, huh? You don't see my wires. I guess this is where everybody keeps pull off. Oh, yeah. Everybody's just sitting on the ground and stuff like that. Mazda RX-7. You got the Mazda Miatas in the house. Going on here at Fuel Fest. It's one of the highlights of the event. This is the Marines and shit. They got a little contest thing going on over here. I can't count them. I literally signed a contract that says, I'm like, you can pay to do a ride along and have that drift experience. The lines are long just to try to get on. A lot of people want to go in a drift car, which I don't blame them because it's super expensive to have one of these cars. So if you could do it for a little fee, get it done. All smiles, that's all you see. When they come back, all smiles. went down, it's gotten a little crazy. There's a lot of people in this place, believe it or not, because this thing is getting out of control. People are running. People are running over there. People are running over here. The minute a car starts revving its engine, the car starts running everywhere. It's crazy.